you just bought a brand new 2024 Dodge Ram, and you in the market trying to find the best suspension for your truck. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 5 brand of suspensions for your Ram or your Dodge Ram, whatever you want to call it, whatever best way you want to say it. These are not in order. I'm just sharing with you guys the my top 5 best suspension I recommend that you should get for your Ram or your Dodge Ram. So let's say you just bought a brand new 2024 Dodge Ram, and you in the market trying to find the best suspension for your truck. I fixed my glasses, it's a little bit twisted up, but for your truck. So these are all strictly good brands. I'm not here to talk bad about any kind of brands, but these are brands that I personally like, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys these brands if you in the market looking for a good brand to go with to be able to change up your stock suspension on your truck to something a little bit way more better than what it was before. So first thing first, I want to say, guys, I definitely appreciate you taking your time out. Viewing my channel definitely means a lot, and I definitely appreciate the support, man. Even the small ones, man. I know I'm saying this a lot, but it definitely means a lot to me. So let's get started. So number 1, this is one of the most I'll say one of the best. I'll say one of the top 5. I'll say suspension out there. A lot of people tend to, have on their trucks is BDS suspension, and strictly, I'm gonna give my own personal advice on that. And I personally never put BDS suspension on any car or truck I ever owned in my life, but I do see that they definitely have high quality stuff, and a lot of good reviews and stuff like that. And the price for this, suspension all depends on your needs, on what are you trying to get lifted up or lower, whatever, and stuff like that, or you just trying to get some coil over, whatever you want to get. It all depends on your needs. So price for these, obviously they start, you can get something that depends on this. You just strictly getting some coil over or something like that, probably could be like somewhere around starting at 200 to 500 or a little bit more. But for actual suspension kit, probably gonna run you from 2 to 5K, sometimes like 6 grand, which is, it's a little bit pricey, but at the end of the day, you gotta understand it is high quality stuff. So number 2 is gonna be EBOC, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to call it. But I got an accent, so I'm gonna call it IBOC. I say IBOC. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you guys, I'm pretty sure y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's one of the. This also is similar to BDS, and it does have. These are all good quality suspensions. Price range for these all depends too. I think it's from somewhere around like if you are talking about getting like kits and stuff, like a whole 9 yard, probably gonna be looking at least 1,000 and up pretty much. So that's gonna be my number 2, the iBox. Number 3 for me is gonna be Beltec. Beltec, this is one of my favorite. Honestly, I'm actually in the market right now trying to doing my research, trying to find the best suspension because I'm not going with a lift kit. I had that on my previous truck before. I actually this time want to do a lowering kit, nothing crazy, a couple inches down on my 4th gen Dodge Ram. And I have heard good things about Beltec. And I see a lot of 4th gen Dodge Ram 1500s have Beltecs, lowering springs and stuff. So I have been looking into that, and I believe the price for this is, it's gonna start at $1,000 and up. I believe so. And my number 4 is gonna be Rough Country. This is like another well-known one that I myself in the past, before I end up when I was looking for lift kits for my Dodge Ram, my 3rd gen Dodge Ram, I did see a lot of good things about Rough Country. It is one of them brands that a lot of trucks have, not just Ram. And I do believe they're priced for, it all depends on your need. They're priced for lift kits or lowering kits, whatever, coilover, whatever you need, whatever suspension you need. Do probably, I think, start at $1,000 and up. These are all quality brand stuff. So my last but not least is gonna be, some people might heard. I'm pretty sure, a lot of people heard of it, but it's called HR suspension, and it's definitely one of the ones too I have been looking at, and I see a lot of good reviews about, and that they do make high quality stuff. Like, these are my top 5: BDS suspension, iBox, Beltec, Rough Country, and HR. Those are my top 5 best suspension for your Ram truck or your Dodge Ram. So let's say you're in the market trying to you just pick up your new truck and you're trying to get some suspension upgrades. Those are my top 5 I would recommend that you take a look at. And these are not in order, honestly, and these are just few of the top 5 ones that I personally know about and did my research about and see a lot of good reviews about. And price for these, if you are getting a kit, the whole 9 yard, this and that, just understand it's going to be starting from $1,000 and up, which is worth it to me because you're going to have a bunch of parts and your truck is getting a way better upgrade and stuff. So definitely, these are my top 5 best suspensions I recommend you to check out for your Dodge Ram or your Ram 1500. Make sure, guys, to definitely give this video a thumbs up and help subscribe to my channel. It's free of charge, so hit that button, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.